God have mercy upon us.
Social media is fake, and I am okay with it because the money is real. The first time I heard that statement from a well-known social media influencer, I had to pause to listen.
Wait a minute. What?
Social media is fake, but she was okay with it because the money is real. Now, while teenagers may be influenced positively, and I mean positively, from the internet, from social media, there are a lot of blessings. You have communication, blessings, having a community. They also has been influenced negatively, and it's more on the negative influence side. Now, in today's episode of Teens Republic, I will be sharing with you the consequences of negative influence of social media on teenagers. My name is Gwacham Chidiogo. This is Teens Republic. Please stay with us. Currently, there is a trending video of an interview, an 18-year-old girl being interviewed, and while I was watching the interview, I kept hearing,
through my boyfriend. They now have a boyfriend. I just choose to have a boyfriend then. My boyfriend is just like, he's like 26, I'll be 27.
my boyfriend. And the person asked her, what's the biggest amount of money your boyfriend has given you? And she said,
How much is the highest amount where your guy don't give you?
1M.
1M. You know, why that may sound good? We don't know all the story. We don't know behind the scenes. And that is one of the negative impact of social media, because what people put out on most occasions is not really all there is to it. You see people, they dress up, go to a nice place, take a nice picture with a borrowed phone, standing on a car that is not theirs, and they post the picture on social media and they just put up a tag, I'm living my best life. And you know, you as a teenager, you see these things and you begin to ask questions. What am I doing with my life? Am I even doing anything with my life? Do I need to do something else? And most people, if these questions are not answered, tend to toe the wrong path just to make sure that they keep up with the Joneses. So misinformation is one of the effects, the negative effects of social media on teenagers. We don't know all there is. We don't know the behind the scene. I had one story one day. I was scrolling through social media and I saw one lady and she just kept saying how this lady on Instagram, she saw a man, she got connected to a man on Instagram. And for being connected to this man somewhere in Lagos, the man will give her all the money, to have sex, and it kept repeating. And on a particular day, this man now told her to lick a wound on his leg, I think on his leg. And, you know, she hesitated for a while, but after a while, she went ahead to lick. She said, what's it? It's just a wound. But after she licked the wound, she realized the man kept demanding he would increase the money, but kept demanding that she keeps licking this wound. Guess what happened? After a few months, she became sick. She has a house on her own in Lagos. She has plenty properties to her name in Lagos, but now she became sick. And from being sick, her health deteriorated so bad, no hospital would take her. Then she had to come out to make this confession to know if something can be done. So we don't know all the story. 99.9% of the things teenagers see on social media is fake. So social media is fake, but these people, they are okay with it because the money they make from it is real. Now, we'll talk about the bloggers. We see news every day. People can just sleep, wake up, get something that is not true and put it out on social media. People can just get stories about people and cyberbully people just so that they get more engagement. They say things that get people reacting, and when people react, they make a lot of money. So, misinformation. Now, another one is poor body image. We've seen influencers on social media. They look their best, their skin flawless. And there's this unrealistic beauty standards that they begin to put out. Because when they keep putting up their best look, their best clothes with their designer bags, designer shoes, they look as if they don't have any issues. Because, like I said earlier, we do not see the behind the scenes. So poor body image, young people, teenagers, when they see this picture, tend to hate themselves, hate the way they look, and will do just anything just to enhance their body. Whereas we know that some of these influencers, some of them go under the knife. They do surgeries, life-threatening surgeries, just to look the way they look. But young people most times, because they don't know, they think there's something wrong with them. They want to just have the perfect nose. You want to have the perfect body shape. You want to have the perfect backside. This unrealistic body standard does a lot of damages to the teenager, because then you start feeling like you are not enough. Low self-esteem, low negative body image. When your legs, they don't look good, suddenly you go on social media, you just scroll through Facebook, and after scrolling through Facebook, suddenly your legs don't look good to you, your nose don't look as straight, your arms don't look as straight, your face don't look as beautiful and as flawless, and your skin don't look as flawless as these celebrities. But remember, like I said earlier, we don't really know the behind the scenes. So that's one of the negative effects of social media on teenagers. All these bring about a lot of pressure. It's coming from Facebook, it's coming from TikTok, it's coming from Instagram, it's coming from LinkedIn. All this leads to lots and lots of pressure, which could lead to anxiety and can further lead to depression, because you see people, you think, okay, they take pictures of them and their boyfriends, and you just crawl in your bed crying, oh, I'm just the only one left, it's just me. You scroll through Facebook, you see your classmates, they now have cars, supposedly their life is just looking all great and beautiful on the outside. So you go inside your house and you cover up yourself and you begin to cry. Oh, I'm the only one left in this world. Oh, I'm just so lonely. Maybe I need to get a boyfriend. You see that now? And this could further lead to depression, which is a mental health issue. Why this sounds cliche? Social media, all you see there is really not all there is. So my advice to you is this: please live your life. Please enjoy the moment. Please be grateful for all of the things you have. Sometimes when the pressure gets that extreme, please take a deep breath and look on the inside and just look around you and just appreciate the things you have. Appreciate this lovely body. And I repeat, lovely body, which God has blessed you with. Appreciate the gift of family. Appreciate the gift of your friends, because truly, that is actually what is 100% real. Like I said earlier, social media is fake. They are okay with it because the money is real. My name is Gwacham Chidiogo. Please, I would like to see your comments. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments and make sure to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles. You have a voice. Your voice is powerful. The world will hear your voice and feel your impact. I'll see you next time.